One of the biggest pronunciation problems that English speakers have when learning Spanish is the R roll. So I'm going to give you 3 exercises to help you get your R roll on point. But before we dive into that, please go ahead and give this video a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can see all of the lessons in the future. Alright, so each of these exercises is going to be about saying it as fast as you can to get that R roll sound. So for this first exercise, we're going to start with ta-da. So it's like, ta-da, but instead of ta-da, it's going to be ta-da. So, ta-da, 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 trabajo, ta-da. So once you get from ta-da, the faster you say it, the more it's going to sound like tra. Ta-da, 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 trabajo. Ah, sí, trabajo. So once you have tra down, you can use that exact same exercise to practice some other prefixes like dragón, gracias, grecia, treinta, and a whole lot of other ones. You just have to, try it out, see what works for you. Alright, so the second exercise is federal. So we want to get from federal to ferrocarril, okay? So, federal, ferrocarril. Alright, so this last exercise is the best one that I've seen so far for improving your R rolls, even though this one's not going to help you say a specific word at the end. Like with the other exercises, we said trabajo, ferrocarril. This one's not going to be like that, so the noise we're working towards is bra, bra. That seems super advanced when you hear it like that, but we're going to get you there. And the way to do it is with the phrase butter wrap. Butter wrap. Butter wrap. Butter wrap. Butter wrap. Butter wrap. So with that one, once you get brap down and you hear the vibration in the middle, brap, 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 try to hold that R in the middle as long as you can. So brap, brap, brap. The more you practice that one and the longer you can hold that R in the middle, the easier it's going to be for you to roll your R's in pretty much any word. So raton, that brap, brap, brap in the middle is going to help you pronounce that R in the beginning, raton. Hopefully these exercises helped you feel what it's like to roll your R's. Keep practicing these 3 exercises and words with R's and double R's in them until you feel like you got this down. If these exercises work for you, please let me know in the comments. Give this video a like, share with your friends that are also tearing up their R rolls, and subscribe. Gracias por estar aquí. Hasta la próxima.